Hello guys, welcome once again to a new video. In today's video I want to show you a quick fix for all Nespresso machines that have the common problem that the water is dripping inside the capsule chamber and not only on this nozzle. In 99% of the cases, this is due to clogged or coffee getting and grime getting inside the diffuser plate. So before you throw away your machine, I want to show you the quick fix or how you can quickly repair your machine. So first of all, of course, you have to disassemble your machine. This applies to all Nespresso machine, regardless of the model you have. So you have to get to the brewing mechanism. This is from a different machine than this, but more or less all Nespresso machines have the same brewing mechanism. And the problem is why the water is coming out of this part and not on the nozzle is due to this diffuser plate here. Hope you can see it. This diffuser plate is located right here. Of course, you can take a toothbrush and first of all try to clean it like this and see if the water is still coming out in the chamber. If this is not repairing your problem, then you have to disassemble your machine. If you want to see how to disassemble the machines, I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel, so you can see if there is your model in one of my videos. So you have to have access to this brewing mechanism, and here is the part right here upside of the brewing mechanism. There is a small clip that retains this diffuser plate, and you have to take a flathead screwdriver, preferably a smaller one like this, and you only have to insert it here and pry it up, and you see the diffuser plate then is accessible through here. This is how it looks like, and this is the part where the coffee is coming out. And these indentations are perforating the capsule, but between them there are microscopic holes that let the coffee flow through them. And then you will need a small wire, a sturdy one, and just insert that wire through the holes. So you see, like this. You can do it from this part, and this is easier. And just you see how hard it's going through. You have to unclog all these holes, because these are preventing the coffee to flow. Like this. After you did this, then the process of the installation, it's simple. You just put it back like this, first on the part here, down, like this. And then you press it and you feel the click like this, and that's it. Believe me, now your machine will flow on, the coffee will flow only on this nozzle and not anymore on this part. So yeah, I hope you like this video. I hope you find it helpful. please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm trying to repair a lot of machines. If you don't see your machine in my video, please let me know in your comments below which type of machine you have, and if I get in my shop one of them, I will make a video to see how to disassemble and how to repair other stuff. So thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.